Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In the last video, I we talk about the L hospital rule. So in this question, I am using the L hospital rule. Okay, this is our limit. If we put direct limit on the numerator, we get log infinity, and log infinity is it's infinity. And in the numerator, if we put n is equal to infinity, we get infinity plus 1 square root, which is of course infinity. So we get infinity or infinity form. We use here the L'Hospital rule, which states that limit remains same, limit n approaches to infinity, and we take the derivative of the denominator. What is the here the function is log n, so its derivative become 1 over n. And in the numerator we have n plus 1 square root. So what is the derivative of if we have 1 over 2 square root of n plus 1. After rearranging these two terms, this term, what we will get? We will get limit infinity and 2 times n plus 1 square root over n. We have used this theorem here. Okay, a or c divided by b or c, we can write it at ac or bc. So by using this theorem, we have rearranging this expression and we get this. Now note that if we apply this limit now, we will get 2 times square root infinity plus 1, which is infinity. And in the denominator, if we plug n equal to infinity on this end, we also get infinity again. We have infinity over infinity form. So we are now again asked to use the L'Hospital rule. So the limit remains same, as we have again infinity over infinity form. So we again use L'Hospital rule. So what is the derivative of 2 times n plus 1 square root? It's nothing. 2 remains same, and the derivative of square root n plus 1 will be 1 over 2 square root n plus 1. Okay, I can write it as we have, it is nothing but the derivative of the denominator. If we look at the denominator, it's n. What is the derivative of n? It is 1. Okay, the limit will remain same, limit n approaches to infinity. This 2 is cancelled by this 2, and we get 1 over square root n plus 1. Now if we apply limit, we get infinity plus 1 square root 1 over infinity. And what is 1 over infinity? 0. Okay, we get a limit of log n over square root n plus 1, which is 0. In this question, we have used L'Hospital rule 2 times, because at the first stage we have infinity or infinity form, so we use L'Hospital rule. And at this stage, because we have infinity or infinity form, so again we use L'Hospital rule here, and we get this limit. I hope you understand it. If you have any question regarding to this question, then you can ask me in the WhatsApp.